Malaysia Sdn Bhd is an MNC status company employing 300 people in Malaysia. It's a firm company of Malaysian Government Multimedia Super Corridor Initiative. Fujitsu was present in Malaysia since 1940 through ICL. Fujitsu Malaysia was formally established in 1997. As an IT company, Fujitsu Malaysia covers all major aspects of enterprise system, solution and service, offering an integrated business solution to customers. Besides that, Fujitsu Malaysia covers all major aspects of IT management such as system integration, consultancy service, and IT infrastructure management. Next, Fujitsu Malaysia is located at Cyberjaya, Selangor, with factory is built out of approximately 130,000 square feet. The product of Fujitsu Malaysia are server storage, integrated system, client computing device, software, peripheral devices, and electronic devices.
Now I'm going to explain about the application of cloud manufacturing. Challenge of visualizing the volume of data they collect to achieve factory-wide optimization is one of the problems that the industry faces. For the solution, they can apply IoT in their factory. The first benefit are they can enhance quality and productivity. Second, they can ensure the safety. Third, they can reduce costs. And the fourth one, they can tackle environmental issues. Intelligent dashboard is one of the examples for application of cloud manufacturing. The interface now shows the capacity utilization, energy consumption, and facility for the factory. At the top left corner shows the capacity utilization for the whole factory. At the middle shows the capacity utilization for the production line. Below it, we can see 4 KPI for each production line, which is quality, production, energy, and facility. Freeze icon means there are breakdown occur at the production line. So we can check which process the breakdown by clicking the freeze icon. Now we know which process that causes the breakdown, so we can check the detailed problem for the breakdown occur by clicking the freeze icon. Then we can see in the process what is the causes for the breakdown. So this is one of the example for intelligent dashboard implementation. The next one is we can utilize human data for worker accident countermeasure. Now we can see the interface for the whole factory. By implementing intelligent dashboard, we can see when, where, and who are working real-time basis. So if any accident occur, there are a pop-up that will come out. With the pop-up that will come out, we can take fast countermeasure to help any worker that involved with the incident. Next one is NESA. NESA is a major Chinese electronic manufacturer that produces LCD. The problem in NESA is the factory is working for 24 hours per day. So the data is hardly managed centrally and they can hardly visualize the process. So with the implementation of intelligent dashboard, the data can be handled easily and we can visualize the factory. As you can see, we can know what the process of the breakdown occurred in the production line, and we can click the down icon to check what is the major issue in the production line. So by implementing intelligent dashboard, there are many advantages that NESA get, which is the productivity increased by 25% and the production cycle is reduced by 50%. The last one is Intel. Intel is a semiconductor manufacturing base that are located in Penang. The visualization of data like energy consumption is sorted monthly, so they can hardly improve in the consumption of the factory. Now we can see the interface for waste recycle and others energy consumption. Now it shows the electrical consumption for the factory. So the company can improve the energy consumption efficiency. Now, with the intelligent dashboard, the company can visualize the data for the company. If any problem occurs, they can investigate the problem and they can take countermeasures for the problem. But for Intel, they do not have the real-time access. With intelligent dashboard, they can enhance their productivity also. Operational data became visible, enable swift troubleshooting and improve the productivity.
In this slide, I will explain the 6 difficulty and challenges when implement cloud manufacturing. So, let's go to the first point, which is security. As we all know, security is the most concerned things in investing to the cloud services. It is because you are unable to see the exact location where the data has been stored. As example, broken authentication, compromised credentials, account hacking, and data breach. Next is difficulty and challenges that faced by the industry is cost management. Cloud manufacturing enables to access application software over a fast internet connection, which led the industry spend more on investing into the computer hardware, software, the management and maintenance. And what is challenging and expensive is tuning the organization's need on the third-party platform. The third point is in creating a private cloud. Implementing an internal cloud is advantageous. I said that because all the data will remain secure in-house. The challenges is IT team need to build and fix everything by themselves. Also, the team needs to ensure a smooth functioning of the cloud. They need to automate maximum manual tasks. It sounds difficult to set up a private cloud, but many organizations are planning to do so in the future. The next slide is explaining the migration. It means the organizations need to move their application to the cloud. The migration might face some issues, which are slow data migrations, security challenges in cloud, extensive troubleshooting, application downtime, migration agents, and cutover complexity. Next difficulty and challenges in implement cloud manufacturing is lack of resources. It happened while the cloud technologies continue to advance at a rapid pace. Due to this factor, organizations are having a tough time keeping up with the tools. In addition, the demand for the expert one continues to rise. The last point is segmented usage and adoption. Since businesses are implementing cloud at a faster rate than ever before, IT team do not have a robust cloud adoption strategy. Over half of the decision makers say that IT team is unprepared to handle cloud computing industry problems and manage cloud resources in the next 5 years.
The point before shows on the cloud difficulty and challenges for cloud manufacturing. If there is a problem, there will be ways to solve it. Here is a countermeasure and solution for cloud manufacturing in this industry. The first point would be security issue. The solution for it by ensuring the organization's privacy and security is intact. Verify the SaaS provider has secure user identity management, authentication, and access control mechanism in place. While the cost management and containment could countermeasure by conducting better financial analytics and reporting, automating policies for governance, or keeping the management reporting practice on course. Next, the lack of resources can be minimized through additional training of IT and development staff. Besides that, the solution for performance by having real-time data for data-driven decision-making process, being able to access data that is stored on the cloud in real time is one of the imperative solutions an organization has to consider while selecting the right partner.
In conclusion, manufacturing is the heart of global economy. Promote a smart manufacturing industry into a new era which is customized, socialized, environmental friendly and intelligent. At the heart of Industrial 4.0 will intelligent, advanced networking and real-time control enable manufacture to respond disruptive trend, deliver better product and get ahead of operational challenges such as equipment maintenance and factory downtime. The cloud manufacturing that implemented by Fujitsu company will help to improve efficiency, increase output, reduce inventory, and view the process in production line and address the production bottleneck in real time from application intelligent dashboard. Intelligent dashboard is the solution that will help to optimize the factory in quality and productivity improvement, cost reduction, safety assurance, and environment measure by visualize the whole factory in real time. Thank you.